Have you ever been annoyed by the buzzing sound of flies or the relentless bites of mosquitoes on a warm summer evening? It seems like these pesky insects are drawn to us like magnets, especially when the temperature rises above 80 degrees. But did you know that it's not just the nuisance they cause? Mosquitoes, in particular, are known for transmitting dangerous diseases. So, wouldn't it be amazing if there was a way to keep these unwanted visitors away from our homes and families? Well, today we have a solution that will make you say goodbye to flies and mosquitoes for good. It's a natural recipe that has worked wonders for many people, and we're excited to share it with you. But before we dive into the details, we'd love to hear from you. Which insects annoy you the most in your house? Is it the persistent flies or the itchy bites from mosquitoes? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's get down to business. In this video, you'll learn how to make a homemade bug repellent that will keep mosquitoes and flies away from your home. The secret lies in a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Vinegar, for example, has an unpleasant smell for mosquitoes and ants, making it an excellent repellent. And cloves, oh those little aromatic spice buds, are not just for adding flavor to your dishes. They contain eugenol, a powerful insecticidal compound that acts as an antiseptic and keeps mosquitoes and ants at bay. Lastly, we have bay leaves, known for their distinct odor that repels insects and hampers their reproduction. Exciting, right? So, here's what you'll need for this magical recipe. 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, a glass of water. Now, let's bring it all together. Take a pot, pour in the water, and add the cloves and bay leaves. Let them simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the aroma to fill the air. Once done, let it cool down, and then strain the mixture. To this fragrant concoction, add the white vinegar and give it a good mix. There you have it. Your homemade bug repellent is ready to use. Now, don't just limit this solution to spraying it in the air. Since it carries the wonderful scent of cloves, you can use it to clean your dining table, floors, dishwasher, countertops, sofa, and even near the windows. By doing so, you'll create a barrier that mosquitoes and flies can't stand. Imagine enjoying a peaceful evening on your porch or having a good night's sleep without those irritating buzzing sounds or itchy bites. This natural bug repellent will keep those insects at bay, thanks to the powerful properties of cloves. And the best part? It's safe for you, your family, and the environment. So, go ahead and give it a try. Make this homemade bug repellent, and say goodbye to flies and mosquitoes once and for all. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible solutions, and it's up to us to use them wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those pests away and enjoy a mosquito-free zone. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more exciting content about homemade recipes and health tips, watch our other videos.